Right now, car dealerships and battery manufacturers are making billions of dollars off a single lie. They've convinced 99% of drivers that when your car battery dies or struggles to crank on a cold morning, it's completely ruined. They tell you it's time to drop $100, $200, or even $300 on a brand new replacement. But in Japan, fleet mechanics haven't bought a new car battery in decades. In fact, back in the 1970s, a group of Tokyo industrial engineers discovered a $2 chemical treatment that doesn't just jumpstart a battery, it completely reverses the internal degradation, restoring a completely dead battery back to 100% factory health in less than 10 minutes. Once this secret leaked to Western markets, major battery corporations spent millions of dollars lobbying to have this specific maintenance method removed from your vehicle's factory manual. Why? Because if every driver knew about this $2 fluid, battery sales would crash overnight. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the exact science, the exact system Japanese mechanics use, and how you can do it yourself in your driveway for less than the price of a cup of coffee. To understand how this $2 liquid works, you have to understand why batteries actually die. Inside your standard 12-volt car battery are lead plates submerged in sulfuric acid. Every time you start your car or run your radio, a chemical reaction occurs, creating lead sulfate crystals on those plates.
When you drive, your alternator is supposed to melt those crystals back into the liquid. But if you take short trips, leave your car sitting, or experience extreme weather, those crystals harden. This is a process called sulfation. It acts like a suffocating blanket over your battery's internal organs. When a mechanic hooks up a diagnostic tool and tells you your battery has a bad cell, 9 times out of 10, it's just heavy sulfation. The battery isn't physically broken, it's just chemically choked. And this is exactly where the $2 secret comes into play. The secret liquid Japanese mechanics have relied on for 50 years isn't a high-tech restricted chemical. It is a precise supersaturated solution of magnesium sulfate, commonly known as pure Epsom salt, dissolved in hot, distilled water. When introduced into a sulfated battery, the magnesium ions rapidly bind to the hardened lead sulfate crystals on the plates. It breaks the chemical bond that regular alternator charging cannot touch, dissolving the crust back into the electrolyte liquid and instantly freeing up the battery to hold a full charge again. Here is the exact step-by-step system to do this. Step 1. Safety and preparation. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove the battery from the vehicle. Clean the outside with a simple mix of baking soda and water to neutralize any exterior acid. Step 2. Accessing the cells. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pop off the plastic covers on top of the battery, revealing the 6 individual filler caps.
Step 3. The formula. Take 7 to 8 tablespoons of pure magnesium sulfate. Mix it into approximately 8 ounces of warm distilled water until the liquid is completely clear and the crystals are fully dissolved. Step 4. The restoration. If the fluid level inside your battery cells is low, use a clean syringe or turkey baster to drop the warm magnesium sulfate solution directly into each of the 6 cells until the lead plates are fully submerged. Once the $2 solution is inside, put the caps back on loosely to allow gas to escape, and hook the battery up to a low amperage trickle charger, ideally at 2 amps, for 12 to 24 hours. As the low electrical current passes through the new chemical mixture, you will literally be able to hear a faint bubbling sound. That is the sound of decades of hardened crystallization melting away, reacidifying the liquid and revitalizing the chemical potential of the battery. When you drop this battery back into your car, you will notice an instant change. The starter motor will spin faster, your headlights will be brighter, and your alternator will stop dragging on your engine trying to charge a dead weight, which actually saves you up to 5% on your weekly fuel bill. The automotive industry wants you to believe that everything is disposable, that your only option when a minor failure happens is to open your wallet and hand over hundreds of dollars to a dealership technician. But by understanding the simple chemistry that fleet mechanics have used in Japan for half a century, you can keep your car running perfectly for a fraction of the cost.
Before you ever let a shop convince you to buy a new battery,
try this $2 trick first. If you want to see the hidden $0 Japanese trick that doubles your transmission's lifespan, click the video on your screen right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is wasting money at the mechanic. See you in the next video.